Hello, welcome to another episode of the Mark 2 Golf Stories. Today we're with the GTI and we're going to look at what to do if your 16 valve GTI is running a little bit rich, which mine is. So let's have a look at it. This if I've seen on the GTI Club Owners Forum. If it's running rich, what you need to do is get your engine up to temperature, unplug this black and red lead from the coil, see if the revs drop. We're going to put the distributor back into its natural position. This was changed by a garage to alter the electronic timing to compensate for the mistakes in the mechanical timing. So to adjust your dizzy, there's two nuts, one here and one there, and they're both 10mm. So let's loosen that bolt there, and this bolt here. Fucking hell. Oh my god! Joined by my glamorous assistant, my dad. Give us a wave, Dad.
Hi.
So we moved the distributor around just a little bit because the two lines we had weren't quite matching up, so we've now matched those up. So we're going to disconnect this red and black lead and see if the revs drop. If they do, we're then going to adjust the idle screw until the engine's idling nicely. It's a bit faster, isn't it? That's at 1100, the boost just turn that down so it runs at 1000. So as you can hear, now we've unplugged that, the engine's running a bit faster, so we're just going to slow it down a little bit by turning this screw. Now it's important that when you turn this, you make a note how many times you turn it in case you get it wrong, so you can turn it back. So that's the wrong way. So right, so it's half. That's one. What revs are we running at now, Dad? 1.1? I think it should be at about 1000. 1.5. How's that? 2. It's 2 turns. Is that about 1000? Yeah. And that's 1000 RPM. That's what it should be running at. So we'll plug that connection back in and see what happens. Hopefully it won't cut out. I mean, that seems to be running a lot smoother to me. What do you think? Yeah. Do you think that's better? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to turn it off now, let it cool down, and then we'll see how it starts when it's cool. Okay, so it's the next day after making the changes where we had the car running nice and warm, unplugged the black and red cable, and then adjusted the idle screw until the engine was idling nicely. Thought I'd let the engine totally cool down and just see how it starts the following day and take it for a drive. It started fine, it wasn't over revving, it was idling nice. It seems to run a lot smoother now, and more importantly there seems to be less of a smell of fuel. I don't know if that's just in my head, but yeah, what we're doing, I think it's made a difference. I know to really adjust the air fuel mixture there's a screw on the side of the metering head, which you shouldn't really touch unless you've got a gas analyzer. But yes, like I said, I read that on a forum, and it seems to help my GTI run a bit smoother, and hopefully it will help you. So if you've got a GTI that's running a bit funky and maybe smells of fuel, if you give that a try, and let me know if it's worked for you, if it's made any difference, that'd be great. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, either way, if you found this useful or anything, give us a like, maybe drop a subscribe, and let us know what you think of the channel. Okay guys, thank you.